Very nice and cute little duet. Easy, super easy to learn. Again, I said this before, but I repeat again, this is geared towards very, very beginners. So if you're not a very beginner, if you're an advanced player or intermediate player, this might be a little boring for you. So this is mostly for people who are just learning on violin, learning the ropes, and they want to make this a musical experience, fun experience to play ensemble with another person or with the MP3. It's fun to do even if you're a very beginner. So that's why this book exists, and that's why I think more people should be using it. More beginners should be using it. When I was a beginner, I would be very happy if I came across this book. It's really great. It's really fun to make very little knowledge that you acquired on the instrument and make it musical. It's so cool. I think it's just amazing to me. Anyway, this little duet only has quarter notes and some half notes. That's it. So really you don't have to struggle very much with rhythms. It's very straightforward, very simple, and cute. There's also not a lot of accidentals, some, but not a whole lot. So you should be able to navigate this little duet without much trouble. I'm including the PDF of this duet and the MP3s of both Violin 1 and Violin 2 on my Patreon page. The link will be posted here below, and I hope to see you there on my Patreon page, and I hope to see you on my other projects. Thank you very much for your support, and take care.